watching the video, we really are familiar with what these reports are or what kinds of things constitute reports generated out of QuickBooks. And I know you're going to discuss 12 specific reports in detail. But before we get into that, I know we can do all kinds of customizations within QuickBooks, as you were just referring to. Could you speak to the types of things that we can customize when generating a report to give us more precise information?
Absolutely. When you pull up any of the QuickBooks reports, there's a place on it where you're able to customize the report. There's a button. Once you click on that, we could pick details that'll help us in our business better analyze and see the results that we're hoping for. Some of the common questions that are asked are, what is your basis of accounting? Remember, back towards the beginning of the book, we discussed cash basis versus accrual basis. Well, here's where you're going to select that in the report. Another common thing that we'll put in is the date period. The date periods can easily change as to which dates we want to run a balance sheet, a profit and loss, or some other report for. So it'll only show us the data in that date range. Another great thing that it does is different comparisons. We could then compare maybe how we did this year to last year or this month to last month. So you have the flexibility to see that within QuickBooks as well. QuickBooks also allows you, in addition to printing reports, you can save them as PDF files, which is nice. So you have a PDF file if you wanted to, put it on a thumb drive and give it to someone or what have you. It's just a nice way to share that information with others.
And is it true that you can also customize the look of the reports that you're generating?
Absolutely, thank you. Both the looks, so particularly if you're sending invoices to clients, you could maybe put your logo on it, or you could add or remove fields to it, or you could change the whole look. You could change fonts, colors, anything you want. So, someone like a doctor's office or a law firm is going to have probably a different look and feel than an entry parlor would. And you can play with that to make it look the way that you want that to look. The other great thing is there's a filters tab, which lists a lot of information that you may put in forms but may not show up. Some common ones are maybe you want to run a profit and loss, but you just want to see it for certain vendors or certain customers or certain reps who made the sale, or maybe just do it a certain date range. You can play with these fields and you can really customize the report just to get you specifically what you're looking for.
This is a question that occurs to me. Once you've created a customized report that filters in and filters out what you want and looks the way you want, can you save that report the way you've created and then pull it back up again later?
Absolutely, yes. There is a tab called the Memorize Report tab. It'll say, do you want to memorize it? It's as simple as clicking yes. And then next time you go into your report folder, you're going to see different categories. So one of those is called Memorized Reports. And then you could click on and you could use it for, you could pull up exactly what you saved. And I frequently use that with quite a few of my clients as well, where we do monthly or quarterly accounting, so I can consistently give them the same reports in the same style.
That's great. Yeah, that's a very important thing. Sometimes people overlook how important consistent appearance is to make it easier for us to process information and also compare one report to the next and realize what's different.